You don't want bubbles when installing membrane switch. Improper installing and unclean bonding surface lead to air between membrane switch and electrical equipment, which causes bubbles. Before installing, if you peel off the whole back adhesive and attach membrane switch to the bonding surface, air may enter and can't get out. That's the reason for bubbles. Dust, fibers, or oil stains on the bonding surface is another reason. To avoid bubbles, you should do these during installation. First, use non-woven cloth for cleaning. Wipe in a single direction to avoid secondary contamination. The bonding surface should be completely dry. Second, follow the standard installation way. Align membrane switch. Slowly peel off the remaining release paper. Use a scraper to make lamination. The air should be continuously expelled out of the gap. Third, check after lamination. Visual inspection is necessary. If there are tiny bubbles, try repeatedly pushing them toward the edge with your fingertip and drive them out. For large bubbles, you can gently uncover membrane switch to eliminate bubbles and install it again. JRPanel has rich experience in customization and production of membrane switches and graphic overlays. Welcome to contact us and place an order.